Hello, and welcome to I Wanna Eat. Today I am making ramen egg, or in Japanese, nitamago. This is a very easy recipe you can make at home to level up your ramen. Since I moved from Japan, I've always missed good ramen. So my solution was to make ramen at home and add toppings. If you ask me to choose one topping for ramen, I would choose egg. The runny yolk adds richness to the soup and noodles, and I just love it. But I will show you how to make other toppings like chashu in future videos, so please subscribe and stay tuned. Without further ado, let's get started. First, put enough water to cover eggs in a pot and bring it to a boil. Once water is boiling, take eggs out of the fridge. It is really important to use cold eggs to control how runny the yolk is. Now, with a ladle, carefully place the eggs into a pot of boiling water. I recommend a ladle with holes or nets so the eggs go into the water more gently to avoid cracking. In this recipe, I am boiling eggs for 7 minutes. In the first few minutes, occasionally stir it so the yolk will stay in the middle for the best looking result. While we wait for the egg, prepare a bowl of ice water. Dropping the eggs into the ice-cold water will quickly stop the egg from overcooking. When you want to keep the yolk runny, this step is absolutely a must. When I make more than a few eggs at a time, I use Tupperware to quickly peel the eggs. Put a few eggs into Tupperware with water covering about 1/3 of the eggs. Close the Tupperware, then just shake. The eggs will hit each other in the container to break the shells. Then the water will go under the membrane and loosen the shell. Look how easy it comes off. Using this method, the eggs will come out clean almost 100% of the time. This is a life-changing hack. It saves so much time, especially when you're making many eggs at once, like deviled eggs for a party. If you haven't tried this already, give it a try. You can of course use the good old top roll method too. It will take more time, but as long as the eggs are cooled enough, the shell will peel off smooth. Now, let's move on to the marinade recipe. For this recipe, I used 3 tablespoons of water, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 1 tiny clove of garlic. After mixing all the ingredients, put it on the stove for about a minute or so until it starts to bubble. Then quickly remove from the heat before the soy sauce starts to burn. Give it a minute so the sauce will cool off before adding to the eggs. Finally, it's time to combine the sauce and eggs. I usually use a Ziploc bag instead of Tupperware when I marinate stuff. Make sure the sauce is cold enough and carefully pour it into the bag. To maximize the marinade to egg contact, get a bowl of water and submerge the bag in it to remove as much air as possible. Don't forget to label the bags. This recipe will be ready in 2 hours. Place it in the fridge and go take a break. It's been 2 hours and it is finally time to eat. Remove the egg carefree from the bag and let's cut it open. This egg is perfectly done for my liking, but if you like harder yolk, feel free to cook them a little more depending on your preference. For ramen, I like to use Rao. Rao is a brand that you can easily find online. It's only $3 a pack and is the best instant noodle there is in my opinion. I put the Amazon link in the description, so make sure to check it out. Let me quickly prepare the Rao ramen, and there you go. Today I am also putting chicken chashu and green onion. Please don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the chashu recipe in the future. Can't forget nori as well. And there you go, ramen at home. The entire bowl is less than $4. Now let's taste it. The egg is perfectly cooked and the garlic and the marinade gave a good umami to it. The runny yolk is also a perfect match for the noodles. I asked my husband to try it as well. He gave me a thumbs up. Yay! Hey guys! Thank you for watching our video. We just started YouTube and are planning on making many more videos weekly. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay tuned, please consider leaving a like and subscribing and comment what recipes you'd like to see next. Thank you!